Hello everyone, this is Coach Jingo and ituturo ko po sa inyo ngayon kung paano mag-advertise sa Facebook na ang redirection nyo instead na website or landing page is Messenger. Kasi meron po tayong mga clients or meron pong mga katulad ninyo, mga business owners na wala pang website. So this is the best way to create an ad and send to Messenger Facebook advertisement is also very good.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh.
Within Facebook, dun sa mismong dashboard, meron pong built-in or in-house na chatbot na pwede nyong gawin. 1, 2, 3 auto-reply ay pwede nang ma-deliver yung message na gusto nyong i-deliver. Let's say for example, meron po kayong gustong giveaways like free ebook or coupon, or you are going to promote an event and you don't have a website but you wish to send an invitation using Google Docs or any kind of form, you can use the messenger bot para i-deliver yung link. Dito sa inyong dashboard, on your business manager, click Ads Manager, alright? And then, create an ad. Okay, I'll start over. Kasi kanina, ginagawa ko to, but I remembered I need to create a video for this, kaya, okay, so, gagawa ako ng bago. With your objective, you have to choose messages because we are going to use the messenger in this particular advertisement. So, if we are going to use the CBO, we have to put that on. Pero kung hindi naman, we have to put it off. Na-explain ko na to sa nakaraan kong video. If you're going to use campaign budget optimization, you need to put like 2 or 3 or more ad sets so that Facebook can figure out automatically, kasi po ang gagawin ni Facebook dyan, kung anong ad ang nagpe-perform ng maganda, doon niya i-concentrate yung pondo mo. So that's how you're going to use CBO. Now, if you want to use the automated rules, hindi mo nagagamitin si CBO kasi most of the people na gumagamit ng automated rules naman is they already know their target audience, they already know their best creative pairing and their winning ad. So, yun po ang ginagamit sa automated rules. Kung test ka pa lang or mag-experiment, you can use CBO. Okay? So, let's set it up. Okay, so dito, we will set up a budget. Kung isang ad set lang ang gagawin nyo, you don't have to put too much budget in it. Pero depende rin kung gusto ninyo. It depends on how much budget that you are going to put in, kung gaano karaming audience ang marireach nito. Okay, so we're going to put, let's say for example, pabayaan natin siyang 1,000 pesos. And then because this ad account is starting from scratch, isa-set up muna natin siya. So the country will be Philippines, depends on where, kung ang kliyente nyo or ang business nyo ay nasa abroad, then you can set it on which country you are trying to show that ad. And then, of course, the currency, in this case, Philippine peso. And then, the time zone is Manila. Okay, so let's hit continue. And then, ilalagay natin yung name, messenger. And then, of course, there you go. Click to messenger. This niche is actually insurance. Okay, so in here, gagawa tayo ng audience. But in this case, because I'm really actually after the people na interesado sa insurance and you do not know who are they. So basically, I'm not going to pinpoint or use the detailed targeting kasi hindi mo alam sino talaga magkaka-interest. So I'm going to use the method of Teambird, which is carpet bomb. Ito po yung lahat-lahat na walang limit. Lahat talaga tatargetin natin. And kung sino yung mag-engage at sino magkaka-interest, dun natin i-retarget on your second ad, sa second phase ng ad mo. Kasi this one is actually cold campaign. So sa warm campaign natin, i-retarget natin yung mga mag-engage dito sa ad na to. So, in here, wala po akong i-click na anything. Sa age, it's all out, 18 to 65 plus years old, all genders. Tapos sa demographics, interest, and behaviors, wala rin. But as of the moment, depende yan sa niche. And this niche, lahat ng tao ay may posibilidad na kumuha or magka-interest sa insurance. So in here, I'll just target everyone. Okay, so I'm not gonna save that audience. Over here, i-edit natin yung placement. So we're not going to do Instagram, and we are not using Messenger marketing. We are just sending the click to the messenger. Pero hindi po tayo hindi tayo magmo-market sa messenger, hindi tayo mag-Facebook ads doon. If you notice, meron po tayong mga nakikita sa messenger natin na mga ads na rin. So, not that one. I will always suggest to just use Facebook news feed, lalo na pag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang. Okay? So, wala nang nakatick na iba. Then, that's it. And then, over here, ang optimize natin ay reply dun sa messenger. And then, we are going to run the ad continuously. Kasi ganito, you just have to monitor your ad about 2 to 3 days. Kasi po, if the ad is running really, really well, at naubos ang budget mo or may end date ka, hindi mo na check, ang mangyayari po niyan, titigil yung ad, tapos maganda yung kanyang performance. Once na nag-deactivate na yung ad mo, na-stop na siya, you're gonna put another budget and then you will reactivate the ad. It will go back to learning phase. My suggestion is to run your ad set continuously and just monitor it for 2 to 3 days until 4 days if you like. And then, kapag maganda yung performance niya, pwede nyo na siya scale up. Yung budget nyo, pwede nyo dagdagan. And then, pwede nyo na rin siyang applyan ng automated rule. Yung automated rule po ay nandun sa aking ibang video. If you would like to watch that, you can just look for inside our program. We already have a budget dito sa campaign pa lang, so we'll just hit continue. Now, we're going to also put this messenger name over there. You can put anything. Kung napanood nyo po yung mga video ko dati, I'm following a sequence in putting a name. Anyway, over here, you can put anything. Just make sure that sa campaign pa lang, once you see your campaign name, alam mo na agad yung detalye ng campaign na yon. Okay? So, we're going to go to that page over there, the new one. And then, single image. Image ang gagamitin ko. This is just to show you the procedure. But you can use a video, and it's better if you are if you opted to use a video, mas okay po yun. Talagang okay. So, we're gonna add image. Make sure that it is according to Facebook rule. And it should be 1,200 by 628. So, ito yung i-click natin. Walang text ito sa image. If you decide to put a text, make sure it's only covering 20% of the whole image. Alright? Now, maybe we will try. Kailangan pa pag gumawa kayo ng headline, no? Alam agad ng makakakita ng ad ninyo kung para saan ito. Okay? So, it should be captivating and for people, kasi it will eliminate waste. So, if you can send the message straight up within 3 sentences of your ad copy, ma-eliminate nyo po yung mga tire kickers, yung mga hindi interested. So, make sure sa headline pa lang, alam mo na at alam na ng audience mo na sila yung target mo. This is actually an insurance and it's targeting aspiring agents. Calling all aspiring financial advisors. O kaya naman, pwede rin po do you ever wonder what a financial advisor's life is? Pwede rin yan. Kasi, di ba, pwede silang magka-interest dyan. And then, dito naman po, it will, it will connect to the messenger. And then, siguro mas maganda palitan natin ng send me a message. Okay. And then over here, ilagay natin yung kanina. A sneak peek into the life of financial advisor. Whatever you wanna put. Basta kailangan creative kayo sa inyong ad copy. Alright? And ito po mahaba to. Kahit gaano kahaba ang ilagay ninyo rito, pwede. Kaya lang, kailangan po yung first 1 to 3 lines na i-deliver nyo na yung message. So, that's it. Ito kasi, itong nasa description, actually, nakikita to pagka hinanap siya sa Google kasi po may metadata. Iyan, makikita yan doon. Alright, so send people to chat with another page. No. Call to action, send message. And then, you can start, now we can start a conversation. Dito na po iyon. Ganito actually ang itsura niya. So, we're going to create the chat na pag nag-send sila ng message, may marireceive sila agad na reply. And it's up to you kung gusto nyo, ibigay nyo agad yung link ng Facebook group nyo or ng Facebook page or yung Google Docs or in a form, whatever that you wanna put. So, kunyari, here's the link to the event. Okay. Let's say, for example, yun. Or, yung Facebook group ninyo or Facebook page. Yung web address nun. Kailangan ilagay nyo dyan. So, next, po pwede nyo na yan sagutin ng manual or if you want to put another auto-reply. So, let's say, ang next auto-reply natin ay please join my Facebook group just click this link to join. As you can see, pwede nyo siyang dagdagan dito sa portion na, hi, would you like to join my Facebook group? If you want to go on conversing with your prospective client, you can add more questions. So, let's say for example, how would you like to join my Facebook group? And then, pag nag-click siya ng yes, you can just put the link here. That facebook.com/groups/FMAPP bootcamp. Okay, so ayan na po. And then you can still add more questions over here. You can save that template or not if you want. And also, you can create a name for this. And then you can just save and finish. So, meron na po kayong chatbot. And also, you can edit that if you want. You can duplicate it or delete it. Depends on you. Now, you can also put a bot welcome screen kung gusto ninyo. But then, I suggest you just do this one. Okay? Alright, so, tapos na tayo dito. We will just set up the tracking. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung inyong don't forget your Facebook pixel. And then after this, tapos na. You just have to click confirm. After you click confirm, isasubmit niya yan kay Facebook. Ngayon, katulad nito, wala pa siyang payment method na isa-set up. So, I need to set this up first. But then, if meron na po, isasubmit lang yan. So, pagka-submit, hintayin nyo yung review ni Facebook. You will have to wait if it's approved or disapproved. And if it's approved, magra-run na yan. If it's disapproved, Facebook will tell you and you can edit your ad or just change it. But be very, very careful. Kailangan lagi po tayong nagbabasa ng Facebook ad policy para hindi tayo maban or laging rejected. Kasi it will be put into our ad accounts record. So that's all for now and I'll see you next video.
Whoa, oh, oh.